Hey everyone, if you're managing meetings, projects, tasks, and important documents, Microsoft OneNote can become one of your most valuable productivity tools. It helps you organize everything in one place, making it easier to stay on top of your work. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Microsoft OneNote for work step by step, so let's get started. Start by creating a notebook specifically for work. Inside it, create sections for different projects, departments, clients, or teams. A clear structure makes it much easier to find information later. Within each section, create pages for individual meetings, project updates, or daily notes. Give each page a descriptive title that includes the meeting name or date so you can quickly locate it in the future. During meetings, type your notes directly into the page. Use headings, bullet lists, numbered lists, and tables to organize important information. You can also highlight action items so they stand out. OneNote lets you insert PDFs, images, spreadsheets, web links, and other supporting documents directly into your notes. Keeping everything together saves a lot of time when you need to review project details. Use tags to mark important decisions, follow-up items, and tasks. Creating checklists helps you monitor your progress, while the search feature makes it easy to locate specific notes across all of your notebooks. If your notebook is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, your changes sync automatically across your devices. You can also share notebooks with coworkers so everyone can view or update meeting notes and project information together. And that's how to use Microsoft OneNote for work. With organized notebooks, shared collaboration, and automatic syncing, it's an excellent tool for staying productive every day. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials.